Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can transfer USDT from CoinEx to your Binance. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your CoinEx application asset. So from the bottom right corner, here you will see the available balance on your CoinEx. So now to transfer the USDT from from your account, you just have to click on this withdraw button. And then here you first have to click on the cryptocurrency that is selected by default. So for example, the CoinEx token, um, it has been selected by default. So now you just have to tap it. Then it will open up this list of cryptocurrencies from this application. So from here, you just have to search for the USDT. So you can use the search bar to find the USDT. So if you don't find it here, I will just click on this USDT from here. And then you just have to choose the transfer method. So you have to select this withdrawal method. After that, you just have to select the network. So click on this network tab option. Then from here, you just have to select the network that you want to use. But you have to keep in mind that you have to choose the network that you want to, that you have to choose the same network that you have in your Binance. So select the same network that your USDT have in your Binance. So select it from here, then simply click on this confirm button. And after that, you just have to open up your Binance application. And then you just have to click on this deposit button. Then you have to search for the USDT. And then you have to select the same network, as I've said earlier, that you have selected in the CoinEx. Then you will be able to get your wallet address from here. So you just have to copy the wallet address by clicking on this copy icon right here. And then once you're done with that, go back to your CoinEx wallet and then paste the wallet address in the wallet address section. And then you just have to enter the amount of how much you want to transfer. And then simply click on withdraw now button. And once you do that, your USDT will be transferred from your CoinEx to your Binance. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!